Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see hidden files and folders in Windows 7. As we all know that there are many system hidden files which are used by our Windows and softwares. So to see all hidden files and folders, we need to open any folder in our computer. Now here you can see this folder is empty and there is no file or folder in it. Now click on Organize. Under Organize, click on Folder and Search options. Here click on View. Under View, you will find the option Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Select this option and click on OK. Now you will find one folder and one file in this folder which was empty earlier. So these are the hidden folder and file. So friends, now you will see one hidden folder and one hidden file in this folder. So like this, you can see all your hidden files and folders in your computer. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.